Hi everyone, welcome. If you're new, my name's Eileen, and in my channel you'll always find quick and easy recipes. Today I'm going to show you how I make my ribeye steak with mushrooms and onions in a garlic buttery sauce. I start off by cleaning my mushrooms so that I can go ahead and cut them. I make sure I wipe down the top very well and then also around the stem and the bottom, and remove any excess dirt that you may find. I cut them in somewhat thicker slices because once you cook them, they do shrink a little bit. Set that aside, and now you're going to start cutting your onion. You're going to cut half of a medium onion and then drizzle it with olive oil. Set that aside, and now you'll start to season your steak. You want to prepare your onions and your mushrooms before you start to season your steak. Because a ribeye steak is so flavorful, I just season mine with salt and pepper. Although my steaks were thin cut, I still prefer to season on both sides. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. It really helps out my channel and I do appreciate it. Thank you. You're going to add 2 tablespoons of butter to a very hot pan, and then you're going to go ahead and put your steaks in it. These were thin ribeye steaks, so I only had to cook them for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. I like to cut the fat on the edge of the steak, that way my steak doesn't curl up. Once your steak is almost done cooking, you're gonna add about half a teaspoon of garlic to that butter. You'll be amazed how flavorful your steak will be with just that little bit of garlic. And just go ahead and flip it a couple of more times just to ensure that both sides of your steak got some of that garlic on there. I then put a little bit more of butter because I'm going to go ahead and place the other 2 steaks that I have. If you're going to cut the fat off the edge of your steak like I did, just make sure that you put one steak on top of the other. That way you don't scratch your pan. I left a little bit of the garlic with butter in my pan. That way I can saute my onions in it. I then add my cut up mushrooms into the pan and saute as well. I season with a little salt and a little garlic powder. I then add about 3 tablespoons of water and finish sauteing it. These sauteed onions and mushrooms will be placed on top of your ribeye steak, and you don't want to skip this step. It's going to be delicious with it. Next, I'm going to be making my Parmesan cheese green beans. I just cook them on high heat until they thaw out completely. I season with a little onion powder and a little salt. And then just toss around so that everything can get coated. I like to use the shredded Parmesan cheese, but you could also use the grated one. Now you're just going to toss around a little bit, and that's it. That's all it takes. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed another simple recipe.